Yes, I am wearing the same outfit I was wearing in my previous video. Will I be this in the previous video? It'll be 2 videos ago, depends how I upload it. I am mass videoing today. I'm actually doing 4 videos today, so, and I just really cannot be bothered to change my top to act like I've done it on a different day. Like, this is reality, okay? I'm filming on the same day, the same makeup, and I'm gonna have the same outfit, okay? Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So, something different that I've never done before, and it is a home decor, home thing, a home haul. I don't know how to describe it, but I have been buying bits and bobs, and I just thought I might as well show you what I've got, because 1, it's a video, and 2, like, when I found some of this stuff I was like, oh my god, I can't believe how cheap it is. Like, confession, I have never like shopped in B&M or Homesense before, and I don't know where I've been all my life, because those shops are amazing, and now I get the hype why there's so many hauls on them, because their stuff is great. So here I am, I'm going to show you some bits and bobs. It's gonna be like really random stuff, I'm gonna be honest with you, because like I haven't got anything. So you might be like, Jazz, why are you showing me? I just thought I'd just show you just in case. Sorry, I've got really itchy ear. I'm wearing Primark earrings and they're really irritating me. That's what you get for paying £1.50. Okay, I think the first place I'm gonna show you is B&M. Like, I technically have bought stuff so far from B&M, Homesense, IKEA, and Poundland. However, I don't know if I'll show you the stuff from, like, all the stuff from IKEA and Poundland, because they're quite boring stuff. Like, they're like, oh yeah, this is like a sieve, and here is like a pasta strainer thing. Like, because I told you I literally need everything. Where I'm not joking, like, all I have is, like, before was just a TV and it's just the drawers. Like, I didn't own anything, so I mean, I'm buying everything. Might as well do the first one here. It is a clock. It is a marble clock. So I decided, yes, cliche, that my house is going to be black, white and grey themed. So I apologise in advance. So yeah, so I got this, a marble wall clock. It was £8.99 and it's huge. I just wanted this on my dining room. I just thought, there you go, put something on the wall. I know you can't technically, but because it's rented, but here I am. So yeah, I just thought it looked really cute, to be fair. My house is cold and heating cost hella money, okay? So my idea was, I'm just gonna have like loads of blankets, and when guests come, grab a blanket to keep yourself warm. Obviously I will use heating, but I'm just saying it costs money. I'm doing this by myself, so if you're cold, grab a blanket. So I got this a checkered fro. It is so soft, honestly, and it's £5. Like, honestly, I wish you could feel this. This is the softest thing. I have been asked to add a little bit of colour, like when I've gone shopping with like my mum and my like aunt. They're like, come on Jess, can you have a little bit of colour in your house? So I have tried to, with like a little bit of pink. There's a bit of yellow coming in, so I have tried to add a bit of colour, but I'm just not a colourful person. If it was down to me, my whole house would be black. And then I got a yellow checkered fro. Again, it's £5 again. Same material, it's just different colours. And then I also got this terrazzo fro. £5. I believe these are actually cheaper than Primark. I feel like these might be cheaper than Primark, you know. But they had so many different kinds in there. We got these ones. These are also machine washable. That's good to know. A boring thing, but hey ho. I got a Russell's Hobb scales. To do my cocaine with. I'm joking, it's not what it's for. It's for berries. So yeah, this was £7.99. You need scales. So that was that. Again, another little kind of boring thing, but it is a glass measuring jug. And this one was £1.99. Yeah, it's quite sturdy, to be fair. Like, if I'm gonna give it to it, it is like really like sturdy glass. Like, it's heavy, and like it's got the pints and the litres. So how much is it? It's like 500 millilitres, but it's a sturdy bit. Like, it's not flimsy or anything. Like, it doesn't feel cheap considering it was £2. I also got a waste bin. I haven't decided where I'm going to put this yet. This was £2.99. My mum actually wanted it, but I was like, that goes on my colour theme. It doesn't go in your house. I don't know. I'll probably put this maybe in the living room or my like dressing room, by my dressing table. I don't know, but it was for like, what was it? I forgot the price that I said. £3. I had to pick it up, really. Went with everything, it was cheap. Can't really complain. finally, the last little thing I got from B&M, another boring thing. It is just a double oven glove, 100% cotton apparently, in black and grey. So yeah, this is Home Co, £3.99. It actually feels kind of like hard, you know. I probably should have felt it. Like these feel like, can't really move much in it. My little hands, I can't get an arm ache from doing that. Like these two things I technically got from Tesco's. But like I said, they wanted me to add colour. So, yellow towels to add to the bathroom. Yeah, I need towels obviously. These aren't the softest of towels. These are like George Home. How much are they? Like I got like the hand towel, the medium size and the large one, whatever they are. I don't know how much they were, but I think it was something like, I think it was like £7 for the biggest and like £5 to something like that. They're not the softest of towels I have felt. I have felt softer. I also got like a bath mat, bath rug thing. You know, that kind of thing. It doesn't go in the bath. The bathroom one. I said called it a bath mat once and Dad was like, it doesn't go in the bath. I'm like, I know, you know what I mean. But yeah, so this is okay. It feels softish. Like again, I felt softer, but this was like under a tenner, I believe. So yeah, those are what I got from Tesco's. No, it wasn't Tesco's. It was Asda. What am I talking about? It was Asda I got these from. George Home is Asda, isn't it? Yeah. My bad. Sorry about that. Okay, so from Homesense, so I'm so sorry that this is all that boring stuff, but if you're just moving this, you might want to know where to get like everything from, like the essentials. But I got a toilet brush holder. So yeah, this was £9.99. It's plastic. It's a little black brush at the bottom. I mean, I can't really glam up a toilet brush holder, but everyone needs one. And I also got a little black waste bin to go into the bathroom as well. This was broken apparently. I don't know. Oh, there it is. It was £7.99, but you don't need a big one. Like, it's just me living there. So I was thinking, I don't need a big bathroom thing. Like, what am I going to be throwing in there? My tampons, basically. Now, I had a image in my head. Like, I had been looking on the Pinterest, as you do, trying to get inspo. But I have a bath, I don't have a shower, and I'm more of a shower girl. So I was like, oh, okay, what am I going to do? I was like, I'm going to have to stock up on the bath bombs and everything. But I'm very much outside, out of mind kind of gal. So I was like, where can I store my bath bombs? And I saw this and I was like, that is it. That's it. That's it. That's how I'm going to store them. So it's like a massive glass jar thing with this little like stopper at the top. But I just thought that's where I'm going to store my bath bombs. They'll be all pretty, it'll add colour, I'll be able to see which ones I've got. And it was £5.99 for this huge thing. And like, it's sturdy, it's nice. I'm like looking forward to actually filling this up with like bath bombs. I'm going to Lush like next week when it's payday. I'm excited for that. But I just thought that'd be cute. I thought that was like a new like cute little way to store them. So yeah, that's how I'll be storing my bath bombs. Another blanket. This one is actually going completely with the theme, which is grey, white and darker grey. This is actually £16, so it's a lot more expensive. It's thinner, it's not as soft, but it's big, and that is what I wanted. So I just need everything. I also kind of thought I could put this on so I can like protect my sofa, because sofas are expensive. If you didn't know, oh my god. Sofas are expensive. Everything is expensive. Like, don't move out. It's a trap. Honestly, it is a trap. And then finally, from Homesense, I got this. I can't really gonna show you, but it's just a massive basket, which is grey and white. Or is it like, it's not grey and white, it's like light grey and like dark grey. But I thought, in my living room, I'm gonna have this in the corner, and that's where I'm gonna store like the blankets, like spare pillows, stuff like that. I just thought it looked cute. It was a different way to store things, and this was £24.99. I just thought that would be a cute way to store it. No? I don't know. I won't know until I move. You know how hard it is. I'll probably hate it. No, I actually really like this part. It's like a proper sturdy basket as well, and it'll be easy to clean. Like, this will definitely be easy to like to wipe over, because I want easiness in my life. I guess the one thing I can really show you from IKEA that I got, which might be interesting, is this jug. I don't know how much it was. I think it was like It was cheap, it was like under £5, I believe. But I saw it, even though it's not a necessity, but I was like, Pim's o'clock is a necessity, and I plan to have like a little bar. I've already bought the like place, the thing, which I'm gonna turn into a bar. But yeah, I just thought, got this. I've already got my little shaker that I bought from like Aldi a million years ago. But yeah, I just thought in the summer, have a little drink. I thought it'd be cute. In Poundland, I literally kind of just bought cleaning products. That's all I bought. Confession, I've never cleaned before. All I do is literally hoover. That's all I do. I don't know all of this like wiping down services or like polishing or anything like that. Like, I fail as an adult, honestly. I'm being thrown into the deep end, so I didn't really know what to buy. I'll show you the 2 products I did get, because tell me if I what I need, because I don't know. Obviously I bought like cloths and stuff. So I got, what did I get? Because I love watching those like cleaning videos that people do, and maybe one day I could do one. But I don't know how to clean, so all I've got is literally this Astonish germ clear disinfectant with natural pine oil. I got that for surfaces. I think it's vegan. Then I got an easy seriously thick bleach in citrus for toilets. I don't know. And then I also got a multi-surface cleaner. It had the name Jasmine, like it had Jasmine, it had my name, a pledge. I don't know. Is there anything you can like think that I would need? Like I said, I don't know anything. So yeah, so that is everything that I have bought that is worth showing you. Like I've got like a microwave, a kettle, my toaster, a washing machine, a fridge freezer, a hoover. Oh my god. Oh. And I'm not even halfway. I haven't got a bed. I haven't got a telly. I haven't got anything. I haven't got no wardrobes or anything. And I move in a week. By the time by the time this comes up, I've probably already been moved in, but from this day I have a week and I still have so much to get. Oh, it's stressful. It is. Honestly, don't move. Don't become an adult. It's a trap. Honestly, it's a massive trap. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If there's anything that you can recommend that you think, oh Jazz, like if you've moved out and you were a first timer, like let me know the things that you forgot that you realized once you moved that other people like I probably would forget as well. Like let me know, because I'm gonna need all the help I can get. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I shall see you next time. Bye.